Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing parallel space and Novelah. Grant storage and overlay permissions so Novelah can cache and display content. Once done, open parallel space and tap the plus to add Novelah. This creates an isolated instance. You need to disable battery optimization and allow auto start for parallel space. This keeps Novelah running in background. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi. Downloads and initial data sync are faster and avoid interruptions. Now you configure Novelah inside the cloned space. Sign in or import your preferences to preserve bookmarks and history. Once signed in, go to Novelah settings and set download path, cache limits, and notification behavior so offline chapters save properly. Make sure Novelah has storage and network access while running in parallel space. Otherwise, downloads fail. Test by downloading a short chapter and navigating back and forth. To confirm progress, finish by checking notifications and dual account behavior. Use parallel spaces switcher to toggle between original and cloned Novelah. If sync or downloads fail, clear Novelah app cache inside parallel space and sign out then sign back in. This forces fresh tokens and often fixes corrupted sessions. Make sure parallel space is whitelisted from battery savers and background limits. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see sync issues, temporarily disable app overlays and regrant permissions. Then restart parallel space to reinitialize the cloned environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.